welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am making a strawberry shortcake. This cake is super easy to make and delicious. I love making this cake for Mother's Day. It's one of my favorites. Before I get started, if you're new here or haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes. And I would love to have you here on the channel. And let's get started on this cake.
First, you're going to need to start on the cake. I'm making a white cake. You're going to add the white cake mix, then 1 cup of water, then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then 3 eggs. And then you're going to mix everything together. If you don't want to make a white cake, you can also make a vanilla or angel food cake. Now you're going to pour the mixture in a 10-inch cake pan that's been prepared with non-stick spray. Now you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 minutes or until tester comes out clean. Let cool for 10 minutes. While the cake is cooling, you can start on the whipped cream. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and then add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. You're going to beat these together for a couple of minutes, making sure to not overbeat. Once the cake is cooled down to room temperature, you can start to cut the cake in half. Make sure to flip the cake upside down. I'll explain why after. Start at one end and gently start to cut. You don't want to put the knife all the way to the middle of the cake. You want to start at the edge of the cake and slowly work your way to the middle, just like the way I'm showing. The reason why I said to flip the cake over is because the bottom of the cake is smooth and flat, and that's what you want for the top of your cake. Now it's time to put the first layer of your whipped cream. I'm using a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can also use a storage bag and just cut the tip instead. Then, with a spatula, you're going to smooth out the whipped cream. Then carefully place the top of the cake over. Now you're going to spread the strawberry glaze over, using a spatula. You can find this glaze near the strawberries, or you can always make your own glaze. I'm just using this glaze for it to be quick and easy. Now you're going to add your second layer of whipped cream. This time you're not going to smooth out the whipped cream, so try to keep a circular motion. I'm still learning, so please don't laugh at me. If this is new to you, don't be nervous, just have fun. The more practice, the better. Then you're going to top it off with another layer of whipped cream, doing the same thing as you just did.
And then top it off with some strawberries.
And make sure to keep this cake refrigerated.
Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. And I want to wish all my lovely moms out there a happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you guys for my next recipe. Oh, before you guys go, if you want to see some more recipes of mine, they'll be somewhere over here. And click that button below so you guys get to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.